Hi guys, it's good to have you back on the channel because today I am showing you how I do my mini twist on natural hair. Before I get into detail, let me just inform you that my hair has been washed, conditioned, detangled, and it has been stretched using a blow dryer to make it easier for me. I've also used whipped shea butter, or I'll be using whipped shea butter, which is homemade. If you would like a video on how I make my homemade whipped shea butter, please let me know. And lastly, I'll be using a comb. I am so sorry for the lighting in this video. I was using natural light, and as you know, natural light can be unpredictable, and I really had to do this video, so I couldn't wait for the lighting to be better. So that's how we do it. Now let me go a bit slower and show you exactly how I do this, but in a slower motion so you can get it. I am sectioning the part I want to work with and then further dividing that part into two equal sections, and I'll be telling you why in a little bit. Once I have my sections, I start twisting, and my technique is to first twist the two individual sections, and then join them together to form one twist. As I mentioned earlier, I make sure that I have two more or less equal parts because this is very helpful when it comes to unraveling the twist. I will have less entangled hair. Like, I will not have hair that is entangled in each other. I will have exactly two strands to work with, which is perfect. And also that is great for twist outs in case you want to wear a twist out when you undo the mini twists. I keep twisting until I'm about 2 inches from the ends of my hair, and that's when I apply my shea butter. Of course, if you want to, you can go all the way to the ends, but I find that makes it a bit difficult to undo the twists when I want to undo them. So that's why I don't do that. And this is how I apply the shea butter at the ends. I just apply it and then I twirl my fingers around until I get the curl. And the reason for this is just to make the twist hold. I do this all over my head, and I actually really like the results. I am so impressed. I intend on keeping these for 4 weeks. Let's see how that goes. I am currently on week 3 and they're still holding up. Yeah, so you guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos, please go on ahead and do so. And if you haven't subscribed, please go on ahead and do so. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.